Dear students, today in this video we are going to learn about these atoms and the atomic mass. Okay, the atom and atomic mass you know very well. Okay, in this lower classes also we studied about the atoms and the matter. Okay, first of all, before we going to the topic, we know the previous concept of the matters. Okay, in the lower class you will be studied about the matters. Okay, you know matter, you know very well. Matter is classified into three types. Okay, that is solid, liquid and a gas. Okay, so what is the definition for the matter is nothing but anything has the mass and occupy the space. Okay, for examples, okay, in our house or in our surroundings, okay, we have a lot of material. Okay, example, table, chair, water. Okay, then gas, we are respirate the gases. Okay, it will be surrounding. So all the things is called made up by the matter. Clear? So how can be define the matter? Means matter is nothing but it can be able to touch, then able to see, and then it has the smell. For examples, a table, chair, we can able to touch it. Clear? But water, like that, it also we can able to see. Then smell means nothing but, okay, suppose our mother will be cook the food or we make the coffee or tea, like that, it will be some smell will be reach us. Okay, so that smell and the air. Clear? So the air also is considered as the matter. Okay, so the matter is nothing but it is occupy the space and occupy, it has the mass. Okay, then one more thing, it can able to see and able to touch, and okay, it can able to smell the substance. Okay, so these are the substance is called the matter. Clear? So all the matters can be made up of by the atoms. Clear? So that's why we discuss about the matter. Okay, today's our topic is atom and atomic mass. So in this topic, why we want to discuss about the matter means, so every matter is made up of by the atom. For examples, okay, metal, iron table is there. So iron chair is there, means that is made up of by the iron atom. Clear? Then air in our surrounding, air is present. So the air is made up of by the many gases, like oxygen gas is made up by the oxygen atom. Clear? Nitrogen gas is made up by the nitrogen atom. Clear? So that's why we want to discuss, before going into the topic atom and atomic mass, we discuss about the matter. Clear? Matter means very simple, we can able to see and touch and have the smell, and then main definition is it has the mass and occupy the space, that is called it is a matters. Okay, then next one, we will discuss about the modern atomic theory. Clear? You know very well about the atoms. Okay, this explain the atom. Okay, so what is mean by atom means nothing but it is contain the subatomic particle. Okay, what are the subatomic particle presence means protons, neutrons and electrons. You know very well, proton has the positive charge, neutron has the no charge, electron has the negative charge. Okay, next one, this matter has the mass. Okay, the matter has the mass already. Okay, discussed. Matter has the mass. Why? Okay, that matter has the mass means that is due to the presence of the atom. Okay, there is matter can be made up of by the atom. Clear? By the atom only it has the mass. Okay, so we can calculate. We can see about the what is mass of can be calculated, means very simple. Already we told atom have the electron, proton and the neutron. Clear? So the proton and the neutron, okay, the proton and the neutron has only have the considerable mass, but electron don't have the such a considerable mass. So we can calculate the mass of the atom only we discuss. Okay, consider the proton and neutron alone, we does not consider about the electrons. Okay, that will be discussed in the next classes. Okay, next class means that is the next topic we will be discussed elaborately. Clear? So the proton and the neutron has the considerable mass, but electron does not have the such a considerable mass. Okay, next one, the mass of an atom is mainly contributed by the protons and the neutrons. Why? Because already I told protons and neutron have the only considerable mass. So that's why okay, the two subatomic particles only contribute the mass of the atom. Okay, the electron does not contribute it. Okay, so hence how can we calculate it? Okay, very simple. Clearly, sum of the number of the proton and sum of the proton and the number of the neutrons. Okay, sum of the proton and sum of the neutrons of an atom is called mass number or atomic mass. Okay, very simple definition. Okay, atomic mass. It is very simple. The sum of the protons and the neutrons alone, because it has only the considerable mass. Okay, very good. Next one is about the unit of the atomic mass. Okay, so how can we measure the unit atomic mass? Suppose we have by the any substance means, okay, in the kilogram or gram we can be measured, but in this atom, because it is a very smallest particle. Okay, the individual atom is the very small, but it can't able to see and it can't able to measure it. Clear? So individual atoms are very small, so it can't able to measure it. So how can we measure? So how can we find out? Means very simple. Okay, that's in the macroscopic, that means very big object. Macro means it is a bigger in size. Okay, so macroscopic materials are measured. Okay, the bigger object, like we are in the day to day life, we are using the vegetables. Okay, this also made up by the matter. So that how can we measure? Means by using the unit is gram and kilogram we can use it. So that is for only for the macroscopic material. Okay, but for the microscopic particle, like very small particles like atoms, electrons, proton, like a very small minute microscopic particles are particular material are measured by the units of atomic mass unit, AMU. They abbreviated at the AMU. AMU means something but A for atomic, M for mass, U for unit, atomic mass unit. Clear? Next one. Then what are the other units? Okay, different units are used in the recent days. We can use it the many units to measure the atomic mass. Okay, what are the unit? Means very simple. That is AMU, atomic mass, one of the. Another one U. Clear? U means unified atomic mass. Okay, then how to measure the mass of the atom? How to measure the mass of the atom means, okay, so how to measure? Very simple. That is 1/12 of mass of the carbon 12 isotope. Okay, 1 by in the how much the carbon weight, we take the 1/12. Clear? That taken means that is the mass of the another atom. So that is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit nothing but is 1/12 part of the mass of a carbon 12. What is the 12 mean? That is the atomic mass of the carbon. Why we take the carbon means is the carbon is the stable isotopes. Clear? But other isotopes are, it is highly unstable, so we can't able to use it to measure the atomic mass unit or mass of the atoms. Clear? So only we are using the carbon 12 isotope. So carbon 12 means nothing but, already I told, atomic mass means nothing but sum of the number of proton and sum of the number of neutrons, sum of the protons and sum of the neutron plus protons. Okay, so here carbon 12 isotope has the 6 proton and 6 neutrons. 6 plus 6 is the 12. So that's why we mention as the carbon 12. Okay, so next one, the units. Okay, so what the unit I told? AMU. But AMU here no longer used now in the modern system. Why are not used? Okay, so what the unit used in the recent days? Nowadays what the unit were used mean? That is the U. Simply U. U means nothing but unified atomic mass. Okay, unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass will be used in the recent days. So mass of protons or neutron approximately 1 AMU. Clear? So I concluded that what is the mass number of atomic mass, sum of the protons and sum of the protons and neutrons. What is the unit used mean? That is AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit, but in the recent days we are using the U. Okay, U means nothing but unified atomic mass. Okay, so we see in the next class. Thank you.